Alright guys, dito na kami sa Jones Bridge. Lele, kawai. Ayun sila, si Matthew at ang mag-ina na lakwatsera. Kamag-anak ni Dora the Explorer. Andito kami sa Jones Bridge guys. I'll make a short video. What's up? This is Matt. It's been a long time.
Yeah, seriously.
Now we're going to Manila. We're riding on LRT. Is it your first time to ride on LRT?
I think so.
Go ahead. Say hi to my vlog. Nene, kaway po eh.
Welcome to Santa Maria.
We're going to Quiapo, and then later on in the afternoon we roam around Manila. Okay.
Watch out though.
Yep. Sorry. So nandito kami ngayon sa LRT. Yan. Hello. Welcome back to the Philippines. Oh.
Matthew, say something.
Matthew, come here.
Hi. Matthew Watson.
Okay kayo. First time yata ni Matt na magsasakay sa LRT. Matthew?
This is your first time, right?
Yeah. LRT? Going to have a nice ride. So good morning guys. Andito na kami ngayon sa Quiapo. With si Jenny, si Matthew, and Nene, kaway-kaway. Explore namin yung Quiapo ngayon. Alam mo ba yung Batang Quiapo, yung movie, yung TV series? Ayan, sige guys. And guys, nandito na kami sa Quiapo. And hanapin namin si Coco Martin. Hanapin namin si Coco Martin dito, yung Batang Quiapo sa Batang.
Lahat ng klase ng sakit meron yan.
There's Matthew. Matthew, say hi.
Hi.
Salamat po.
Nene, kaway-kaway, ne. Kaway-kaway. We're walking under the sun. Watch out. So, punta kami sa Chinatown. Gala-gala dito sa Manila. And dito kami ngayon sa Chinatown. Parang hindi ko na maalala kung kailan ako napunta rito. Yan si Nene, ang ganda.
Ako nung last week lang.
Oh, bakit?
Pumunta kami nila mami.
Bumili ka? Ano binili nyo?
Wala, naggala.
Gala-gala. Wow. Ayan o. Oh ha. Oh ha. Dito tayo sa side, may init. Go. Yan, dito pa rin kami sa Chinatown. Going to Ongpin. Yan ko. Drapay yung. Hey guys! Say hi! You're on cam! Dito na kami sa Ongpin, sa Chinatown, dito sa Manila. Ayan. Daming mga Alright guys, dito na kami sa Jones Bridge. Lele, kawai. Ayun sila, si Matthew at ang mag-ina na lakwatsera. Kamag-anak ni Dora the Explorer. Matthew! Say hi! Ito na kami sa Jones Bridge, guys. Tatalon kami sa Jones Bridge. Ayan na, oh. Ayun! Ayun, oh. Kasama ka sa vlog ko. Ayan. Mag-subscribe sa vlog ko. Hindi, ah. Don's TV. We are actually here at Jones Bridge and with Matthew, sa Maya na maganda, si Jenny. Ano yung nasusunog? Ano yan? Unfortunately, may may sunog na nagaganap. It's burning.
Dali, Buddy, go over there. I'll take your picture. Ayan o, may fire truck.
Kaya nga eh, grabe.
Doon sila ha.
Unfortunately guys, merong sunog dito ngayon. Ayan, oh. Grabe, di namin alam kung anong building tong nasusunog. Mukhang kanina pa kasi almost burned up na yung building. Grabe. Ayan yung fire. We are here right now at the Jones Bridge and si Matthew nag-video naman sila, si Jenny at si Maya. Ayan, oh. Ano kaya ito? That is so unfortunate, right?
You know what building that is?
I have no idea actually. I think it's
Looks like a bank. Hopefully.
yeah, it looks like
Bank or a judicial building or
I think it's been burning like a while now, right? Because it's like burned up already. So that's so unfortunate. Let's ask what building is that? Come here. So I'm here with Matthew right now.
Hi.
We're at Jones Bridge, and so unfortunately there's a building that's burning right there. We have no idea what building is that. Kuya, anong building po yan? Anong building?
Post office is the old one.
Ay, naku sa.
Philippine Post Office natin. Wala ka pa, nandiyan na yan.
Grabe. Matthew. It's a Philippines Post Office, the old.
Oh.
Sobrang unfortunate po, ano?
Ayan ang Post Office.
Ano oras pa po nasunog?
Last night pa rin.
Last night pa?
Last night, 11 o'clock daw.
Grabe.
Security na naman ko sa...
Yan po yung landmark ko ng Philippine Post Office na nasusunog.
kayo?
Taytay po, Taytay Kainta po.
Kung hindi kayo nagagawin ng Manila.
Hindi po, very...
Dito to sa anak ko.
Oh, galing po silang Amerika.
Ano topic?
Historical yan. Yan ang Post Office natin.
Okay, Matthew,
Grabe.
this is the one of the historical
Building.
first
Post office building in the Philippines.
of the Philippines in
It's a landmark.
Is what year is that again? What
Anong year po siya na...
Early 90s.
90s.
Early 90s, grabe.
I guess, early 90s.
Early 90s. Like 90s.
Siguro 1905, 19...
Tignan mo sa...
Sige, thank you, sir. Opo.
Late after mo kayo, sana promote.
Sige, sayang tong building.
Just a walking distance lang.
Opo.
Dito lang kasi ako.
Okay. Taga Rizal pa po kami. Yan.
Bata pa ako, mamami pa kami dito.
Talaga. Ayan. Buti na kita namin si Sir, malaking tulong si Sir. Ginaid niya kami sa pupuntahan namin dito.
Taon niya.
Oo, and galing po kami yung Chinatown actually.
Yan, mag-photograph din yan.
Oo nga, ang ganda eh. So yun, papunta na, galing nga kami rito sa Jones Bridge, papunta kami dun. Sa bridge na yan, bagong bridge daw yan. At then after that, we'll go to Cathedral, then Intramuros. And so yun, nakakalungkot lang kasi ano, nasusunog pa rin yung Philippines Post Office, First Philippines Post Office.
19